Buenos dias, amigos, amigas from the lakeside area, and I want to do a shorter version of this apartment walkthrough and explain a little bit about how I live, where I live. I live in a gated community 2.5 blocks from the Carretera Highway. I don't have to hear the trucks. I live very close, great location, and also I want to mention that this apartment has 2 pools. One's a kiddie pool for the kids, and one is an adult pool for adults. Okay, before I go any further, there is an outdoor patio. It's got a table and 3 padded chairs out there, and there's even more chairs in the laundry room, and I'll cover the laundry room in a minute. Okay, here, I pay only $650 per month. My only utility is propane, and the propane is somewhere between $7 to $8 a month, and no more. It may even be less. Okay, 3 televisions, 1 in the living room, 1 in each bedroom, which I'll show you, and also 2 DVD players. They all work. So once again, I'm in a great location. I love it here. And $650 a month. Now, I only had to put up 1 month rent and 1 month security. And if I wanted to, I could sign a year lease. And I don't see a problem with that because I've lived here for a while and I really love it here. But I've only been asked to sign 6-month leases. Okay. Once again, here, beautiful, spacious bedroom. This is bedroom number 2, I call it. But I do want to mention, I was thinking about before renting an apartment and for a lot more money. And I had no problem doing that, but the only thing is, I love this apartment, I love my landlord, and she's wonderful, she's done a lot here, and I have the benefit of the pool. So you're going to find out that the hot season will be coming again, and during the hot season, it's helpful to have a pool. And these fans, once again, there's a fan in every room. They are 3 speeds. And they cool this place off in a matter of minutes. Okay, let's go through here. Well stocked. Let me open these up. Probably should have had them opened. But well stocked. Everything I needed was here when I moved in more than a year ago. All the pots, pans, beds, spans are down below. All the dishes, cups, glasses, utilities, utensils were here. And pretty spacious refrigerator, I'll show you that. Okay, need to get some more ice, but that won't be a problem. I can make ice. And this is a pretty spacious refrigerator. I don't use all the space that's here, but 2 people did live in this apartment for a long time before I moved in here. Okay, once again, I want to tell you, or I hope I want to get to it though, is I have other chairs for this table. I can rearrange this place, and I'm thinking about rearranging this, make it a little bit more roomier, but to utilize the space different. Okay, now, the couches. The couch. This is an L-shaped couch. My landlord I was gone during the months of March and April. When I came back, she had put new couches in here for me. I really liked the other couches too, but she upgraded the couches. It wasn't necessary, but she took that back. One of the many extra steps she took before I came back this I discussed the TV and the art. This art I purchased from Lake Chapala Society. The children had an art fair there on a Saturday, and I bought it there. And this I bought from an art auction from an 11-year-old boy in the AJIJIC Plaza. Okay, let's go through the larger bedroom. Well, they're both, I think, pretty big. I think they're the same size. This bed is a king-size bed. And once again, I'll tell you, these mattresses, it's important. These are high-quality mattresses. Very high-quality mattresses. They were here when I came here. And all the bedding was also supplied. It was good before I came here, but she even did some upgrades. I think she had these when I first moved. I never used these. These are all brand new. And everything she has here is new. And the comforter. I just pulled this out the other day, and so wrinkled it was in the package. You can see a lot of closet space there. TV number 2. Okay, this is the second bedroom, or one of the bedrooms. Okay, I'm going to the laundry room here. This apartment came with a washer and dryer. Now this is a Whirlpool, but if you get an apartment and you see other washer and dryers that are other brands, they're good too, okay? But this apartment came with a washer and dryer. I've never had a problem with it, and with either one. And I'm really happy. It was a splendid addition to this apartment. Okay. And that was here. Those were here when I came here. The landlord had them here, and they come with this apartment. Okay. Going into bedroom number 2. Once again, in all the bedrooms and the living room, there are these fans. They come high speed. If I want to put them on a higher speed, I can. They come 3 speeds. And they cool this place off in the hot months. Cools it off within a matter of about 3 minutes. This place is cooled off. Very cool and comfortable. Beds here. Once again, high quality mattresses here, and also bedding. Sheets, pillowcases, etc. come with it. Here's the vanity area, another vanity area. Okay, spacious closets. Once again, 2 people lived here for a long time before I moved in here more than a year ago, and I'm on my 3rd 6-month lease. I could sign a year's lease, and I don't have a problem with it, but I was only requested. I could always renew the 6-month lease when I want to. Spacious shower in here. I think I forgot to cover the other bathroom in the other room. Okay, go through here. My hair's a little messed up. I just woke up not long ago. Once again, a lot of art, all Mexican art in this apartment. Okay, let's go through here. 3rd TV and another DVD player, and they all work. Beautiful art here. Let's go through here once again. I don't know if I covered this bathroom or not. I'm trying to do this really quick. Okay. Another skylight, another big shower. More art here. Okay, move along. Okay. Okay, I know I forgot something. Okay, here. This directory I picked up at the Lake Chippewa Society. It's updated every year. It has street maps of all the towns in the lakeside area. You can get that at the Lake Chippewa Society. Also, one last thing. This map I bought in Chippewa, but it's a map of the state of Jalisco, but I do have other maps. I have other maps of the entire country of Mexico, all the states, and there's different states that I have lived in and traveled in, and I like to look at that and make future plans. Okay, because I have some future plans. So this place came really well stocked. You can get this apartment came with a lot of DVDs, but you can get DVDs from the Lake Chippewa Society. You can pick up some DVDs if you want to watch movies on DVDs. This apartment has cable. I don't have to pay for the cable, but I like to pick up and look at a DVD once in a while, either here or on my laptop. So the only utility I pay here is for the propane once again. So I condensed this video a little bit more. I want to say thanks for viewing. Hasta luego, and have a great day.